Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try products from company Alia for the first time. So sit down and let's go. This customer came after 6 weeks. So nail growths were long. She broke her legs, so she can't came. You can saw these nails in my Instagram account. I took off the decorations. It's better to take it off, cause when we are sanding the gel, it can be dangerous. I use the manicure pliers to remove stone and caviar pearls. Sometimes it can be tricky because decorations were fixed in builder to hold well. To remove all the gel polish, then cut nails with nail fill. I fill the nails from above to shape them. I was sanding for a long time, cause 6 weeks are a long time, so you must make it shorter. Now I'm using corundum extension to adjust the cuticle. This extension is from Star Nails and it's smaller, so I like working with this extension. Because cuticle was long, I used nail clippers with a curved tip. In the end, I adjusted the cuticle with a silicone extension. I don't want to use diamond extension because I don't want to damage cuticle. Now I apply thin coat of Ultra Base. After 30 seconds in a LED lamp, you can see how I apply builder gel named Build Up. I thought it's self-smoothing, but my mistake, it's not. Despite that, this gel is fluffy and light, so I liked working with it. After curing, I adjusted nails to be smooth, wiped nails with alcohol disinfection, corrected the shortcomings, and this nail shaping took 3 hours. One little mistake at the beginning, and here we go. We decided to try French manicure on nature nail. I use Polymaster Color Glamour. This poly gel is just a bit thinner than I'm used to, so shaping took a little longer. After 30 seconds under LED lamp, I adjusted to smile arch with a file and drill with a diamond extension, cause the polygel melted a bit. It was a little tricky. Next time I prefer to use this gel for shaping the wool nail. Now I apply colored gel in shade Lambada from Alia. It's better to apply 2 layers due to safety. You must harden every single coat. You can see how I apply thin layer builder and into it the neon pink glitters from AliExpress. was a first time and you can see it was a little tricky to fix them well. Then 30 sec under the lid lamp and another coat of builder. There were bumps, but I adjusted everything with a fill, so no problem. Again 30 sec under the lid lamp, dry nails with cleaner and adjust it to shape. To other nails I used colored gel from Alia in the shade Lolita. I wondered how to match the nails with the French manicure and other nails, so I painted a small line and did a slight ombre. I think the result looks good. Again under the lamp, and then I applied Finish Extreme Gloss from Star Nails. To the end I used an oil from Alia to cuticles. It smelled like iced coffee, I really like it. And today that's all. If you like my video, I would be happy for sharing, comments or likes. You can also subscribe my channel or watch my Instagram. So have a nice day and bye!